Imagine buying a house for just $10. Sounds like a scam, right? But for one couple, it was the best decision they ever made. In 2014, the city of Detroit was struggling. Vacant homes, abandoned neighborhoods. So the city launched an unbelievable program, the $10 Home Program. To save neighborhoods, they offered certain homes for just $10, but with a catch. Buyers had to bring the homes up to code within 6 months. If they failed, they lost the house. Most buyers were scared off, but not Sarah and Michael. They saw potential where others saw decay. They bought a house for $10 and spent the next 6 months turning it into a home. But it wasn't easy. Repairs cost thousands. Plumbing, electrical, even a new roof. They maxed out credit cards and borrowed from family. But 6 months later, they finished, and the results were incredible. A $10 house became a $150,000 home. And here's the twist. Their home value didn't just go up, their entire street improved. Neighbors were inspired to fix their homes too. This wasn't just a story about a cheap house. It's about seeing value where others see risk. Every city has hidden opportunities, but you have to know where to look. I'm Anita Mora. If you want to find your own hidden treasure, whether it's here in Albuquerque or anywhere else, subscribe to my channel and I'll show you how to spot deals no one else sees.